Hello and welcome to this lesson on reflex actions and nerve pathways. By the time you finish this video, you should be able to understand what a reflex action is, describe the reflex arc pathway, and identify the roles of sensory, relay, and motor neurons. Let's take a closer look at how these fast responses happen inside the nervous system. Think about what happens when you touch something hot, or when bright light suddenly shines into your eyes. Your body reacts instantly to protect you from harm. These rapid protective responses are called reflex actions. A reflex is an automatic reaction that happens without conscious thought. The brain is not involved in making the immediate decision at that moment, allowing the body to respond much faster. Examples include pulling your hand away from something hot or painful, blinking to protect your eyes, or coughing to clear your airway. A reflex arc is the pathway that a nerve impulse follows during a reflex action. It shows how information travels quickly through the nervous system to produce a fast, automatic response. The process begins when a stimulus is detected by receptors. These receptors generate a nerve impulse which travels along a sensory neuron toward the central nervous system. Inside the central nervous system, usually the spinal cord, the impulse passes through a relay neuron. The relay neuron quickly transfers the signal to a motor neuron. The motor neuron then carries the impulse to an effector, such as a muscle or gland. Finally, the effector produces a response. This entire pathway allows the body to react rapidly and automatically without needing conscious thought first. Let's follow what happens step by step when a hand touches something hot. First, heat from the flame acts as the stimulus. Receptors in the skin detect this dangerous temperature change immediately. A sensory neuron then carries the nerve impulse from the hand to the spinal cord. Inside the spinal cord, the signal passes through a relay neuron, which quickly connects the sensory neuron to a motor neuron. The motor neuron carries the response signal to the arm muscles. These muscles contract, pulling the hand away from the heat before serious damage occurs. This entire process happens automatically and extremely quickly, without conscious thought, helping to protect the body from injury. Reflexes are very fast because they bypass the conscious part of the brain, reducing the time needed to respond to danger. Instead of waiting for the brain to process the information and make a decision, the spinal cord acts as the main coordinating center. This allows nerve impulses to be processed and acted upon almost instantly. As a result, your body can respond quickly to harmful stimuli, such as heat, sharp objects, or sudden threats, helping to prevent serious injury. The brain is still informed after the reflex action occurs, which is why you become aware of the pain or danger only after your body has already reacted. A reflex arc uses three main types of neurons working together to produce a rapid response. Sensory neurons detect the stimulus and carry nerve impulses from receptors to the central nervous system. Relay neurons are found within the central nervous system, usually in the spinal cord, where they pass signals between sensory and motor neurons. Motor neurons then carry the nerve impulses from the central nervous system to effectors, such as muscles or glands. The effector responds by producing an action, such as muscle contraction or gland secretion. Each neuron has a specific role in helping the body respond quickly and efficiently. Sensory neurons bring information into the central nervous system, relay neurons process and transfer the signal, and motor neurons deliver the response to the effector. Because these neurons work together in a very short pathway, reflex actions happen extremely quickly, helping to protect the body from injury or danger. Let's dive into some exam-style practice questions. You can pause the video and try it yourself. Question number 1. A puff of air hits the eye. Describe the reflex arc. The stimulus is detected by receptors. A sensory neuron carries the impulse to the CNS. A relay neuron passes it to a motor neuron, which sends it to the eyelid muscles. They contract, causing a blink. Question number 2. Someone touches a hot pan. Explain the reflex arc. Heat is detected by receptors. A sensory neuron carries the impulse to the spinal cord. A relay neuron passes it to a motor neuron, which sends the impulse to the muscles. The muscles contract and pull the hand away. Question number 3. Dust enters the airway. Describe the reflex arc. Receptors detect the dust and send an impulse along a sensory neuron to the CNS. A relay neuron passes it to a motor neuron, which sends the impulse to the breathing muscles. They contract, producing a cough.